Thank you for taking the time to watch this 5-minute video and supporting DBI and its product line. DBI, an American manufacturer of small dental equipment, is a privately owned company established in 1990 and has over 20 years of dental field experience. DBI uses well-known and reliable American-made components and strives to provide quality products at affordable prices. Today, our products are distributed in 20 countries through over 200 dealers. In 2008, with hard work and dedication, DBI proudly became an ISO certified company with several CE approved products. In addition, our products carry FDA approval and ETL certifications. DBI uses separate packing for the unit and compressor to prevent shipping damage that costs time and money. DBI uses lightweight and damage-resistant packing material to secure that the units are well protected and lower the cost of shipping charges for you. The packing material is easier to handle and can be easily discarded. First, remove all packing material from around the unit. Grip both sides of the tabletop and carefully lift the cart and remove from the box. Install the water reservoirs to the unit by using one hand to hold the lower part of the reservoir. Do not force if you feel resistance or you will damage the reservoir's threads. Now remove the accessory box from the compressor's cradle. Next, open the compressor box and remove the packing material. Carefully use both hands and remove the compressor from the box and set aside. Your delivery cart is equipped with a power strip with an extra length 12-foot power cord to allow the unit to be connected virtually anywhere in your clinic. Now set all the tubing and wires to any side of the cart to allow access for the compressor to be installed. With both hands, carefully insert the compressor in the cradle located in the front of the cart, with the green power switch facing towards the back of the delivery cart. Remove the power cord from the top of the compressor and install the power cord from both the air compressor and the power strip. Connect all the electrical power plugs to the pre-mounted power strip. And then turn the power strip on. There is a total of 4 power plugs. One for the compressor, one for the fiber optics, one for the piezo scaler, and one for the curing light. Insert the gray air hose with quick disconnect to the compressor's female coupling as seen here. You will also have to turn the compressor on by switching the green power switch on. The compressor is oil-free and has 3/4 horsepower with an air regulator, pressure gauge, and comes pre-regulated from factory. Low maintenance, the compressor only requires to be purged weekly and it's ready to use. Just plug and play. See your owner's manual for details on maintenance and purging procedures. To purge, obtain the orange tubing and push the air release button. Now, let's talk about the switches on the back of the unit. The first toggle switch on the left side selects the left or right reservoirs to be used. The second toggle switch from the left turns the air on and off to the reservoir. When turned off, this allows access to the reservoirs without having air continuously escaping from the lines. The third toggle switch allows flushing of the high-speed handpiece and scaler. The side pressure gauge displays the pressure being delivered to the handpiece and scaler. We recommend to use 35 psi for the high-speed handpiece and 40 to 50 psi for the low-speed handpiece. These are factory default pressure settings. The foot control features a large anodized alloy disc and controls the handpieces and scaler. The foot control is equipped with an on and off water switch to eliminate the need to reach for the water control knobs on the unit. The cart was designed with two stabilizing metal brackets connecting the instrument holders and cart's chassis, allowing mobility to the cart with extra weight without bending or warping the chassis. The unit also has 4 highly sturdy wheels for a smoother ride even on rough surfaces or carpet. The pedestal is made with anodized alloy for easier telescope movement without scratches or scrapes, maintaining the integrity of the unit's appearance. The internal carriage or tabletop is completely powder-coated, preventing corrosion. A locking mechanism has been built to keep the top open during servicing or installation of additional accessories. Control indicators for accessories has been placed to assist technicians, doctors, and/or new operators. Standard American parts used to manufacture the delivery cart and supplied by the largest and reliable USA dental parts supplier. The internal components are in a ranged layout and standard with color coding. Independent regulators have been used for air and water pressure, making it easier for technicians and service tasks. A control block has been installed for the capability of automatic instrument selection. In an improbable situation where the unit cannot be repaired in the field, the tabletop can be disassembled by removing the 4 screws as seen here, to send only the tabletop portion to DBI for servicing. The syringe comes pre-installed. All you need to do is insert the metal tip by pushing the center ring while installing the tip. Please make sure that the tip is secured in place. Install the Maxi Torque fiber optic high-speed handpiece on the tubing in the left side position. Make sure that the ports align with the holes in the tubing for proper installation. Please note this handpiece will not function in any other position. Install the air motor to the tubing in the center position. Make sure that the ports align with the holes in the tubing. Reverse and forward is controlled by the metal ring and is marked with an F for forward and R for reverse. This air motor is E-type, a standard in dental field, making it versatile to any E-type brand in the market. The motor runs up to 20,000 RPMs and has reverse and forward capabilities. This air motor must be lubricated. Please adhere to the lubrication procedures found in the handpiece owner's manual enclosed in your accessory box. Next, obtain the straight nose attachment. Let's go ahead and open the straight attachment to install a disposable profi angle. Rotate the dark gray ring to the right firmly to open until you hear a small snapping noise. Note, you will feel a small amount of resistance, but continue until the ring snaps open. Now remove the pin and set it aside. Install a disposable profi angle and make sure that the groove in the profi angle lines up with the notch on the straight attachment. Make sure that the profi angle is completely pushed in. Now let's lock it into place by rotating the dark gray ring to the left firmly. Please note that the plastic gears inside the disposable profi angles will not support high speeds. You must remain under 5,000 RPMs to prevent from stripping the disposable profi angle. Now, install the straight nose attachment to the motor until you hear a click. To remove, you must press the button to release the attachment. Next, let's move on to the piezo LED scalar handpiece. Install the scalar handpiece by aligning the holes in the scalar handpiece to the ports inside the scalar handpiece tubing on the right side of the air motor. Secure the scalar handpiece to the tubing by turning the gray ring and securing it into place. Once the scalar handpiece is attached, there is no need to remove it unless for repairs. Now, let's gently slide the ergo grip sleeve onto the handpiece. Next, insert the tip into the black tip cassette as seen here. Carefully align the tip and turn it clockwise until firmly tightened. Be careful not to over-tighten, which may cause the tip to get stuck on the handpiece or damage the threading. Next, let's attach the LED curing light. Insert the light guide into the top hole of the handpiece. Now, insert the protective shield through the tip of the light guide downwards until it locks into place. Next, insert the curing light to the tubing in the last position by making sure that the 3 prongs in the tubing are properly aligned with the 3 reciprocals in the curing light. After connecting the curing light, it is ready to operate. Let's move on to the accessory function. First, the 3-way syringe. There are 2 buttons on the head. If you push the left button, it releases a water stream. If you push the right button, it releases air. Pushing both buttons at once releases spray. To regulate the water spray, turn to the right or left the black knob located underneath the unit in front, directly behind the high-speed holder. Third, the low-speed system. To release the straight nose attachment, push the pin. DBI motors accept any brand of E-type standard attachments such as contra angle, endo, and etc. To run the motor, just step on the foot control. Again, the more you step on the foot control, the faster the motor runs to a maximum 20,000 RPM. Please keep in mind that no water is supplied to the low speed position. Next, the piezo ultrasonic scalar. Step on the foot control to activate the scalar. The scalar's power is regulated by the larger gray knob located underneath the unit in the front, directly behind the scalar holder. To regulate the water flow, just turn to the right or left the smaller black control knob located directly behind the scalar holder. A fine mist is a good indication of proper water regulation. Finally, the curing light. This light is preset to cure for 20 seconds at a time. To activate the light, push the larger oval blue button located on the light's top panel. You can interrupt curing at any time. Just push the larger blue button once again. The M button selects the 3 different modes. Select the desired program in a loop sequence: full power, pulse, or ramp. The output is always 1600 milliwatts. The unit can also be supplied with an optional air vacuum system. Please contact DBI for more details. DBI also has a large array of products available. The VE3 mobile delivery system has the same features as the VE2, except the tabletop size, and it comes equipped with 1 water reservoir and a piezo scalar without light. The Easy On Mini, with or without light, can be retrofitted to any existing unit. All that is required is a water source. The Easy On Mini comes with an independent foot control, power supply, etc. It is very diverse and can be fitted under a cabinet, on the wall, and any existing delivery units. We also offer the SB200 Combo Piezo Scaler and Polisher Workstation, which can come with or without light. Other product lines include the Flash Portable Polisher and/or Drill, the Swift Portable Piezo Ultrasonic Scaler with or without light, and the VECO, which is a carry-on mobile delivery unit. This concludes our video. We thank you for your time, and we look forward to building a long-lasting partnership with you and your company. Please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.